Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment. But more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today, I've got some delightful news to share to some of you who might not have known, and I'm just going to echo it for the rest of you who already know. So, Jamaican passport application has improved, and even though I'm not in need of a Jamaican passport at the moment, I am delighted to hear that my country, the land of my birth, has finally caught up with the rest of the modern world. You know what I mean? So Jamaican adult passports can now be applied for and retained online. Well, you can apply for it online, but obviously it will still come to you in a physical form by courier. So I want to share with my Jamaican people the modern and easy way how to apply for a Jamaican passport. Obviously, first and foremost, you guys would need to have access to the internet, whether that be by a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. Once you have the internet access, then you have to go to www.pica.gov.jm. That is actually the Jamaican passport website. Then the next thing you would need is your old passport and its information, i.e. passport number. Obviously, you would have to send off that passport physically by courier. Then you would need proof of citizenship. So you will need an original Jamaican birth certificate, or you would need the original document. If you were adopted, you need the original adoption papers that you're adopted and everything is legal in Jamaica. And if you are a naturalized citizen of Jamaica, then you would need to submit your naturalized citizenship certificate. The next thing you will need after that is a photograph. You would need a digital photograph. So this photograph would have to already be on your device, whether it's scanned to your computer or uploaded to your tablet or your phone, and the photograph have to be cut to the specification of the Jamaican government, which is 45 millimeters in length and 35 millimeters in width. And as you can see from this photograph, you can see how much millimeter is required at the top, at the bottom, and at the sides, etc. Then the next thing you will need, which is the most important thing to the Jamaican government, is actually a payment method. The Jamaican government currently require a MasterCard or a Visa card. And lastly, and most important of all, you would need an email address for correspondence. You would need an email address so the passport office can communicate with you, or you can communicate with the passport office. And that's it. You go to the website of the passport office, you click on apply for new passport, then it will take you to start passport application, or before you start application, you could actually go to see the eligibility question for online passport renewal, where you will have several questions to answer, including, is your passport currently expired, or will it expire in 1 year or less? Was your current passport issued for 10 years? Does your passport number begin with the letter A? Is this passport damaged, or was it reported lost or stolen? Have you legally changed your name and wish to update your passport? Was your passport photograph taken in the last 6 months? Are you in possession of your current passport? For all online renewals, the signature from the current passport will be reused on your new passport. Do you agree to this? And the 9th question is, was your passport issued on or after September 3rd, 2001. So it's pretty much straightforward. However, as I was doing my research and I was like browsing through the website, I can see that the website is still in what I call its preliminary stages. So even though I've not gotten this from the horse's mouth, I'm just gonna use my expertise from browsing websites over the years to say that do not be surprised if later on the Jamaican Passport Office website upgrades to Betterment. Anyway, people, I thought this was relevant and good information to share with you guys, especially some of you guys who might not have heard the news. So if you got plans on renewing your passport, you no longer have to go to the passport office and go through all that crowd and everything. You can actually do it from the comfort of your home. You can actually do it in the comfort on a bus, you know. So I am proud of it. I was proud to hear the news. As you can tell by my face and my attitude, I'm delighted to share this information. So I will say to all my Jamaican people who are looking forward to having a new passport, are looking forward to future travels, good luck in your passport application. And let me know if you already used this service, and let me know how fast it was, how reliable it was, and so on and so forth. That's pretty much it for me today, people. Let me know what you think about this information. Let me know what you think about this vlog, because as you know in my channel, I accept thumbs up, thumbs down, agreement and disagreement, because what? Each one teach one. Until next time, people. Peace. So this is bonus information because about a year ago I did apply for a Jamaican passport. Even though I currently live in Switzerland, I live in Zurich, and it was a little bit of hassle to get my Jamaican passport living in Switzerland, because I had to travel to Geneva to the Jamaica consulate or mission of Jamaica that was in Geneva, and I applied for it. However, once I got to Geneva, which was like a 2-hour drive, everything went smooth, and I got my passport from Jamaica in about 2-3 weeks. So my wife, who was born in England, she actually holds a Jamaican passport as well. So I'm just going to throw that information in there and tell you guys how that is possible. So my wife being born in England, that makes her a British national 100%. However, considering that she's married to me, she could easily get her Jamaican permanent residence or citizenship if she desire by going to the passport office in Kingston to the immigration and citizenship department, where she had to fill out an application and answer a few questions. However, my wife didn't actually need me to get her Jamaican citizenship and or permanent residence, because my wife's parents are Jamaicans, and if both of your parents are Jamaican, it is just as easy to have dual citizenship in Jamaica or permanent residence in Jamaica. So I thought that information was also handy, and if you guys saw the thumbnail in this video, you will, most of you already know my wife, will realize that that was her actually holding her passport. So that's some information that I thought would be helpful and would add a little bit of delight to this video as well. So once again, until next time, people, peace.